Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be talking about mental health and anxiety, I guess, more specifically, because I am currently experiencing anxiety. Like my whole day, since I woke up, I have felt anxious. I put on one shirt and it didn't work because I could feel the seams. I put on another shirt and it didn't work because where it cut off, I could feel where it cut off. So my brain is just... Now you might wonder, what caused this? I don't know. My body is just responding this way, and this is what happens, and it comes out of the blue. Like, I did have a very busy week, so that is probably contributing to it. I also had a really good week, and that's the worst part about mental illness, in my opinion, is that you could have a good week or a bad week, and the end result could still be the same, where you wake up an anxious mess using vinegar and hot water and a toothbrush to clean your kitchen counter, even though a washcloth will do it faster. It does not affect the anxiety the same way. And my way of coping is very different from other people's ways of coping. And yes, my entire countertop will be cleaned with a toothbrush today, because that is what is going to calm me. Like, I can actually feel right now, as I'm doing this, a sense of calm wash over me. Why does it work? I don't know, but it does. And so I'm not going to question something that works. I did have a really good week this week. And so I'm just here to share that, your friends, family, even yourself with anxiety, it doesn't always make sense, and it doesn't have to make sense. It's just as long as you accept that it will affect you, and that is okay for it to affect you. And it's okay to have to take a mental health day. I'm upset that I'm not going to be doing the things that I wanted to do today. I had 2 really fun things planned, and I'm not wearing pants. I can't put on pants right now. I can't leave my house without pants. Ergo, I am home today with my toothbrush. This is just your friendly reminder that anxiety is okay. We'll get through this. Every day is a good day. Some are just better than others.